Okay, what do you get for us today?
Our kidney they get problem, but we don't know.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
If you think say you get money, if you think say you rich, if kidney problem hold you, all the money where you don't save, that kidney problem go suck.
In 1 week,
it go suck all of them.
Like straw.
If you think say you get money, make kidney problem no near you. Now be the prayer.
Yeah.
Now the shocking thing be say a lot of people kidney they spoil and they don't know. Because the kidney go they spoil small, you know, go give you signs. And guess what? Sometimes even the sign where this kidney go give you go think say na malaria and typhoid.
Are you serious?
Yes. Some go tell you say my sickness now always malaria typhoid. Yeah. Because whenever you go test, you go see them, but you don't even know say small kidney problem inside your body. At the time you go come show like this, they will tell you say na dialysis, and you know how much be dialysis. So when I talk about this, somebody tell me say every week they spend 120,000 naira for the matter.
Are you serious?
Every week, and that one tell me say then sell their house. Sell everything. Yeah, the person no make and the person still die. On top of this matter. First of all, you go ask me say, okay, how you go take me to my kidney get problem? Many signs there. You go shock. You say if they get even body pain, if they get just body pain, sometimes you no go fit even chop. Your appetite go dey bad. You no go fit even sleep. All these ones now those early signs. And later your piece go come reduce, or your piece go plenty, or you go piece you go see foam. Go dey inside your piece, or later you go see your leg they swell up. So many signs there. Now we go come tell you say I beg, and I make we dey always put the word I beg. If you know all this kind of thing they do you every time. No be say you go call auntie nurse or you go pharmacy.
Brother nurse.
No try am.
And my bra when get pharmacy.
I beg, because by the time the thing don't go far,
right?
They can't go do. They just say don't enter chronic kidney disease. You can't do work. They go so okay, we could do dialysis. So now make we they put mouth beg you now, and then which could come make and worse. Be say when it can't start, they go tell you say now somebody for village nine cause this thing. By the time we can't know say no be village now it's normal sickness. Don't late. So as we they get cash now, all of us we keep cash somewhere. Just make plans. Say oga beg. I never test my kidney before. Make I just even know whether my kidney get problem. You get diabetes, you get hypertension, you get person for family, we get this kind of problem. No use your own play. You they take alcohol anyhow. You they take all those things, TM, Igbo, whatever.
All your Colorado.
You they take them.
No,
see, your kidney they spoil.
Okay. Igbo, talk out with your full chest.
No, they go talk say Igbo is medicine. In a lie, it's not medicine. You know, we never reach that level for this part of the world. We never reach there. No let anybody scam you. So you they take Igbo, you they take TM, you they take alcohol, all of them, you they spoil your kidney.
Well.
And they go tell you say something must kill a man. He get the kind of thing we no supposed to kill man. Where you could use your hand. You understand?
Don't go to do pass yourself. Okay. You don't talk plenty things about the different signs and symptoms for person when we say get kidney issues. When person supposed to check this medical testing? From what age?
So first of all, let's say you get person for family, we get all these things like diabetes, hypertension, and then your own go dey special. But generally, from that kind 30 years and above, like once in a year, you go check them. Just once you check. The reason they say some of us don't get good lifestyle practices. Okay. You get so nobody say with the press a problem there, and the test not to cost like that.
On the average, between what and what?
Maybe between that kind, between 4K, maybe 4K to 6K.
Are you kidding me?
4K to 6K.
How long will the test?
They go just collect blood. So they will collect blood, collect urine.
Okay.
A full stop. You go. Result go take for urine. If you come out that in less than 10 minutes, for the blood go take you a while, maybe 2-3 hours. So less
than 5,000 naira, yes. And you don't do your kidney test for the year.
Do your kidney test. You get so many very good labs where they do all these tests for our country. Then they well.
So when you go to the labs, if you just say, okay, I did
you
do
want
test
your
for
your kidney function, they will just do it for you. But the reason why we tell people say before you go down, you need to get a medical doctor too. So we go help you break down your results because you get how you go test and you come, you just go take your hand like that, they look you.
You will just look you,
know what you go do with the results.
So those of now when we say get family doctor, and if you know get this now best time for you to start looking into family doctor.
Personal doctor, your family doctor, very important.
Whether your doctor does jackpot come out or not, because many of them do jackpot.
Yes.
At least still keep in number. Keep in number. Oh yeah, now okay. What other thing they need to know as we open the phone line, make it be say the few things
we need to know. Be say for kidney. So if you help yourself to exercise, reduce alcohol, all those bleaching cream they spoil your kidneys too. Medication where you take for body pains, you get how you go abuse them anyhow, you go spoil your kidney. I'm going to say make you they take medicine as doctor prescribe give you. Some people go just take medicine.
Hand cream, no, pause, not the rush.
Body cream,
body cream, affected.
Body creams, yes. Now the chemicals for those body cream where they bleach people. Also bleaching cream. Okay, more talk and say bleaching cream. It gets things like mercury inside where they make people skin bleach, and these things they enter the people kidney, they damage their kidneys too. So many things there like that where our people need to be careful about. And you where they buy body pain anyhow for road, you just stop, call Aboki, buy body pain. Small. May you not give yourself.
Even those one they tear as white paper, white sachet just.
Yes, and God good, they give us 2 kidneys. So as we they spoil, they go small. You go to say everything they okay, but you don't know say small.
Don't they give yourself short one?
They short kidney they go.
Good morning.
Mommy, good morning.
Doctor, welcome back.
I agree to especially, man. Thank you.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Mommy success from Ikebu.
Mommy success.
Doctor, please, wait now one ask. This is kidney test where you talk. You understand? Like which place do we go and do it? Is it health center or get other lab?
He said lab then.
Lab. But we don't go call anyone name. We don't go call any of these labs name. They get very big lab, good lab. So we say they not to cost where they are around you, island, mainland, Lagos, outside Lagos. Then they.
And you said the average price for a kidney test now once a year on the average for the over 30.
Yes.
Between 4,000 to 5,000, generally speaking. I think it's a very cheap way to know.
Now, the reason why they talk for maybe another place. If it is cheaper than that, I just use my own head talk. We no get any special relationship with any lab, but within that range, some people they cheap. Some people can't give us discounts. Imagine say maybe we get partnership now with any lab. If you can't give say discounts,
so anybody where visit to Wazobia and come this particular lab,
you go collect discount
for test. I think we might look into that, honestly speaking, because may nobody get excuse saying now because they are not fit. No excuse. We are going to do well. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, doctor. Good morning,
madam. Good morning.
Good morning, Daddy.
From Kingdom.
My daddy, how you doing?
Doctor, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
People say in a man now we they cause everything where they water, either what to eat or what to do. What do we do to avoid this kidney thing? Be say we go live and no go catch us. Yes. What do we really basic things we'll avoid?
Okay. Thank you.
My concern.
My chief won't live to over 150. You know they play with all these things.
One very important thing, yes. Thank you, chief. Now say water, drink water. Your kidney go thank you very well when if you drink water. So if you know, say you know water, know your lifestyle. This period you need help because water will help you make even your kidney no get stone. Even kidney stone they help make people kidney, and water will help your kidney go function well. That one they very important. And then check your BP, check your sugar, exercise, reduce all those yama food. You know them now. I know one mention before you go attack me again. Chop so our normal.
You not like all the things where they like.
Chop our normal balance, natural food now. You know
bacon. Like that's why you talk about bacon and sausage the other day. I call the para. The things I like in life, you know what make I just enjoy.
And you go use your sense.
Hey God.
You go use sense. So those ones they and exercise, yes. Reduce salt.
Very important. Salt. As you pass 30, not be every time you go say put salt, put more salt.
Reduce them. But very important. For those who they follow me online, that water I'd always hammer them. And I know say most people they follow me, they drink water.
So that water not the sweet where we are at times.
You know, before I even get up this one, so they get up, I don't take one first. It will help you. So these are the things where you go can't do. You go happy with yourself.
From WhatsApp, this person said, okay, I take 2 cans start every day, but my waist still they pay me. I don't know whether that one will be signed since you mentioned body pain.
2 can waiting
of stout.
First of all, leave beer alone. First of all, leave them.
The stout not be beer. Stout is stout.
Now in whatever, leave it alone. Then if they get body pain, I don't talk in a kidney. Many other things will give you body pain. You understand? I beg.
Doctor, this now from my own end. Are they curious when they talk about kidney and you talk about urine? You say some fee foam, some fee no foam.
Yes.
Final question is this: which one be the color of people when we say get a kidney challenge?
No be by color. Okay, so a color is day. Normally your kidney is supposed to be not too white, be like amber color, and then when your kidney can be too dark. Concentrated, you know, if you produce enough urine, you can they dark, small, they near coffee color. Make I mention coffee color like that. It no good. Sometimes you can't they see blood inside urine, they see protein inside urine. Those things no good.
Chook out. 95.1